G'day, here we are in High Street in beautiful New Norfolk, and just up the road we have a quality 2-bedroom unit, modern kitchen. Let's go around the corner and take a look. G'day, Dallas Joyner, Roberts Real Estate. Welcome to my new listing, Unit 9, 8 to 10 Circle Street in beautiful New Norfolk. This 2-bedroom unit has open plan living, stunning kitchen, private courtyard. Let's go inside and take a look. And the bonus with this unit is the private courtyard, covered entertaining area. For more information, reach out, give me a call. Dallas Joyner, Roberts Real Estate.